Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap El Monte local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers are here to help you move, and every service you'll need for the big day is on offer. We'll do the packing and unpacking for you, so you can be sure moving day will go smoothly. Our movers will be waiting with our truck outside right on time, ready to go. Our services are high quality and affordable, and you'll be in the know about our prices because we include free quotes for our customers. Our expert movers will be sure to pack up everything as safely as possible with our specially designed packaging that will keep your belongings from getting damaged. If you're moving to a different state or outside of the country, you won't have to worry about moving your things along the way. Your new home or office is in familiar territory, perhaps a stone's throw away from your home now. Your things will still need to be packed and moved out though. 3 Movers has built a name for itself on speedy, efficient service. In just one day, we will get you packed and moved into your new space. Don't miss even one night of binge watching your favorite Netflix show when you leave moving day to us. In addition to local and long distance moving, our El Monte moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.